the Xbox app is not responding in Windows 10 or Windows 11, it may be due to a variety of underlying issues, including software conflicts, corrupted files, or network problems. Here are the main solutions.
First, open your Start menu. Type PowerShell. In PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator. Now type the command sfc/scan now. Wait for the scan tool to repair your system files. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate the Xbox app. Click on the three dots to open the Xbox app options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If your Xbox app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Xbox app data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If the Xbox app is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. Press Reset again. If Xbox app is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. First, press Uninstall. The Xbox app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Xbox app again. Search for Xbox. Click on Xbox app. Press the Get button to start downloading the Xbox app. Wait for Xbox app to be downloaded and installed. Now your Xbox app should be installed. Now open your Xbox app. Now type in your Xbox app login info.
First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Press Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Copy the first command that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell frame and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter to uninstall gaming services. Copy the second command that you will find in description of this video. Right-click PowerShell and select Edit. Click on Paste. Now press Enter. Press Get to download gaming services. Press Yes. Wait for gaming services to be downloaded and installed. Now gaming services should be installed. Type exit and then press enter.